Hello everyone, in this video we are solving an easy difficulty level Python challenge called length of the shortest word. So thanks so much for watching this video. This is a brand new channel and your support really means a lot. So please subscribe and like the channel. So what's this challenge about? We need to figure out the length of the shortest word in a sentence. So here in this challenge we are building a function that takes a sentence and finds the length of the shortest word. For example here, the quick brown fox. So this is a sentence. So the words the and fox both have 3 letters, which is the smallest, and so the function should return 3. So now let's break it down with few test cases for better understanding. So first test case here, the quick brown fox, like I just explained, it returns 3, and in this second test case, A is the shortest word with just 1 letter, so the function should return 1. In this third test case, here we have just 1 word, hello, and it has 5 letters and the function should return 5. And now you can pause the video here and try solving this challenge yourself. So let's solve this challenge. Our approach will be split the sentence into words, then find the length of each word, and then return the smallest length. So let's start with the function. So here I'm creating a function, and this function will take 1 argument as input. So this is called the generator expression. Let me explain this. Here we are using split method. Split method splits the sentence into words. For example, the quick brown fox becomes separated where each word from the sentence is split like this. And so forward in sentence dot split, in this statement what is happening is that for loop is looping over the words. We split the words with the split method, and for loop loops over those words one by one, and this len method is measuring how many letters are in each word. So len word measures each word's length, like 355 for this example here, and then the min method will get the smallest number from those lengths and it will return the numbers. This is called the generator expression. So let's print the outputs. And here we are getting the outputs. So this is the one way to do this, and we can solve this challenge multiple ways. So let's try to solve it another way. Let's start by creating function. We start with the sentence split, which turns something like this sentence into the list, the quick brown fox into the list, and then the min with the key len looks at all those words and picks the shortest one based on the length. So in Python, function like min or max can take an optional key parameter. So here the key is a parameter that takes a function len. So when you write key is equals len, you are saying use the len function to decide which item is the smallest. So let's test these with the given test cases. So we got the outputs here, and we have solved this challenge in 2 ways, using generator expression and using the min method key parameter in Python. So thanks for watching this video. You can also ask me any questions in the comment section, and thank you for watching. And for more coding challenges, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.